Welcome back to the kitchen. I get asked a lot from people who are either gluten intolerant, have celiac disease, what they can use instead of a vital wheat gluten in my bean burger recipes. I have my famous bean burger and the porkless burger. You can see those right above. But what I always recommend is actually an oat flour. Now you can go and buy one from the store. Most stores will carry it, but I prefer to just make mine. And then the next question is, can I use quick cooking oats? Can I use old-fashioned oats? And the answer is, it doesn't matter. Just you can use any type of flaked oats and it'll work just fine. I'm actually going to use 1 cup of each here just to show you that they both will work the exact same. These will just take a little bit longer. So all we're going to do is take our blender out. Now you can try to use a food processor or even like the individual blender bottles, but I really like using the big blender for this. And we're just going to put in our oats. And we're going to start on low and work our way up. And this shouldn't take too long. You'll notice it starts to get into a nice fine powdery consistency, and that's where you want this oat flour. Alright, that was exactly 45 seconds. Everything looks fantastic. I'm going to just take that out. And you can see in there, it's a good consistency. And we like storing things in these 32-ounce jars. So I'm just going to pour my oat flour in. Well, I'll get the rest of it in a bit. But you can see there that it's got a really good floury consistency, powdery consistency. So that's what we use. You can use that in any recipe that calls for a flour. All right, I am back from the kitchen. I got things cleaned up. I've got Bubbles there, and Bella just walked away. But we made some oat flour today. Now this is just such a simple recipe. Again, it doesn't matter if you use quick cooking oats or rolled oats. The key is just get them in the blender and you let them get down to a flour powdered consistency. And we use this in a lot of baking. I find it sits a little better with me. And it's so cheap, and if you don't have any flour around, you can use it. And then also in the bean burger recipes, we always recommend that if you have a gluten sensitivity or celiac or just want to stay away from it, go ahead and substitute the vital wheat gluten for this oat flour. So I'm not gonna try it right now because it would make my mouth really dry. But I hope you guys like this video. If you have, hit the like button. And if you wanna see more awesome plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with Bubbles and Bella somewhere over there. And we'll see you guys very soon.